Hi, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Dog toys can be expensive, and if your dog is like Winnie here, well, you know that they don't last more than a few days in your house. So, I'm going to show you how to make a heavy-duty dog toy that won't cost you an arm and a leg. So, let's get started.
The materials you will need are 1 yard of upholstery denim fabric, stuffing, thread, scissors, pins, and a sewing machine. Print, tape together, and then cut out the template. Cut out 4 bone-shaped panels. To use the template, place it on the fold and cut. This will create a perfectly symmetrical shape. Pin together 2 panels with the wrong sides facing. Do this with the other 2 panels as well. Sew around the edges of both panels. You can use a straight stitch or zigzag when top stitching. Sew around the edges of the toy using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Leave a space on the bottom of the bone large enough to turn right side out. Flip the bone right side out and push out all of the edges. Stuff the toy. I'm using polyester stuffing. You can add a squeaker or even a water bottle if you want. Fold the seam in on both sides so it matches the rest of the bone, and sew around the entire toy to reinforce the stitch. And now, your dog toy is complete.
And if you're feeling adventurous, you can make it into any shape, but one thing is for sure, your dog's gonna love their new toy. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.